How to get the best Brandy Melville discount promo codes. Want to score the best deals on Brandy Melville fashion? Here's how to find and use promo codes to maximize your savings. So, start by checking trusted coupon websites such as Hot Deals and Retail Me Not. Verified codes here often give you 10 to 20% off plus free shipping on select orders. So to be able to get this code, simply click on this get code button to be able to copy the code from this websites. So always use verified codes first. These are tested and guaranteed to work, unlike community submitted codes which may be expired. Sign up for Brandy Melville's newsletters. Subscribers often get exclusive promo codes and early sale alerts. The biggest discounts usually happen during seasonal sales like Black Friday, so plan your purchase around these events. Many codes include free shipping when you spend over a certain amount. Combine this with a discount code for maximum savings. Brandy Melville also offers military discounts if you qualify. Verify your ID to unlock extra savings. And that is how you can basically get the best Brandy Melville discount promo codes.